I'm not happy winning that way, but all we can do is move forward from here. That is the quote from Levi Kitchen after winning in Detroit. And if you missed it, I don't know how you would have, but short synopsis for you. Uh, Max Anstey had a 7-second lead going into the last 2 laps. Cameron McAdoo had his big crash, caused the red flag with 7 seconds to go. Everyone found out the stupid rule change that instead of just calling the race after 90%, it turns into a staggered start. Levi Kitchen ends up winning. Ta-da. And I'm going to say this right off the bat. I have absolutely no problem with what Levi Kitchen did. He did what any other racer would. If you have a chance to go for a win, you go for the win. If the rules are played that way, it's fine. I mean, there's no reason that he should have said, "Oh yeah, you were going to win this race. You just roll out away and I'll let you win." Like, yes, it sucks for Max Anstey. That is the worst way to lose. I mean, up 7 seconds, had it in the bag, something happens out of your control, and you lose not only the points difference that you lost, because obviously it's a swing one way or the other, also the bonus money, and just, a win for the record books. But for the fact of Levi Kitchen, absolutely, he did nothing wrong. There's no reason anybody should be mad at him or any side of this because he just did what you're supposed to do and he raced. Now, the full post on his Instagram says, quote, "Felt good to get things going in the right direction. Felt great all day and was happy with my riding. I want to congratulate Max Anstey on his ride last night. He rode great, and if the roles were reversed, I can guarantee any of those boys would have done the same thing. It was a weird situation, and I'm not happy with winning that way, but all we can do is move forward from here. Thank you, everyone in my corner, and hopefully Daytona will treat me better than Tampa." Now, obviously, they get a week off as we go back out west for Arlington and then back to Daytona, which is always a fun one, very different. But again, I have absolutely no problem with this. And I know some people are mad at him for, oh, he robbed Max Anstey. And yes, Anstey did get robbed. It was not by Levi Kitchen or anybody else if they had won. It's because of the rule. I mean, it sucks. It's a really weird thing. And if you watch the broadcast, they even had the wrong rule up on the TV saying there was a 90-second or 90% rule, which was what 20 all the way up until 24, and then they changed it to the staggered start that we saw, and it was just one of those things, stupidity reigned, and it's a dumb rule change. It makes absolutely no sense. With 7 seconds left in the race to go, if a red flag gets called, just call the race, be done with it. The whole fact that they had to wait 10 or 15 minutes and then, have this stupid staggered start, and you know it sucks for Levi Kitchen. It's great. I mean, he gets the bonus money, he gets a win, he gets the point differential closer to Anstey than he would have been, and for him, who knows if this comes down to the end of the year and he wins by a point or two, this will have made a difference. We'll have to wait and see about that. But comments below, I want to hear from you guys. What did you think of it? What do you think of the stagger start, the rule change? How do you feel about, Levi Kitchen winning instead of Anstey? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.